Welcome to DMC Bazaar, powered by OneAbove Destination Management Services. To book a quick package with hotels, activities, and transfers, but where intercity transportation is not required, simply click on the Hotels tab, select multiple accommodations, and begin your plan. Let's look at Switzerland today. Starting from Zurich, select your travel date, check in and check out. To the next city, Lucerne. The checkout date is automatically picked up from the previous stay. Let's take another 2 nights here. Add another destination, looking at Interlaken for another 2 nights. And let's end this journey in Geneva for another 2. Select the number of guests and add your room configuration as required. The system pulls inventory for up to 4 rooms or 9 guests. Onto the accommodations tab. The system pulls the lowest or most recommended, cheapest available option. Feel free to customize it further by seeing more accommodations. Look for the property by name, by address, filter further by radius, or free of cancellation rooms only. Select by pricing, category, points of interest, meal plan, or further down by facilities, popularity, or hotel chains. Customize further and change your order from the extended view to a compact view or comparator view. Only on DMC Bazaar are you also able to view the map reviews. Exit the map and filter your further order here by selection, popular ratings, distance to city center, pricing, or star categories. Looking at the most popular options, feel free to scroll down further or select your preferred stay by seeing more options here. Within the hotel, you'll get high-resolution images, a map view, description of the accommodation, services, rooms, and only on DMC Bazaar would you find an average popularity rating filtered from TripAdvisor ratings, Booking.com ratings, and Expedia ratings. There is simply no need to further get onto Google or any other website to choose the right product for the right guest. Looking at room options, you have refundable and non-refundable options to book from. Click on View Conditions to view the exact cancellation policy and select your preferred hotel. Similarly, for Lucerne, if this is the option that suits your requirement, click on Select. Coming to Interlaken, this is a room only. If you'd like to change the setting to room with breakfast, click on Rooms, or while the system loads the available inventory, click on Reviews to view hundreds of reviews from all 3 websites to ensure your guest is aware of the right condition and the right booking. If this is on room only, go back and filter further here by star rating and bed and breakfast, where DMC Bazaar makes the work easier for you. Let's change our selection to distance to city center, and it has picked up a good option here that will suit our guests. Selecting this to move further to Geneva, once again selecting the preferred category and breakfast. To check our option, which is closest to the city center, select. Once the accommodations have been selected, the system prompts you to add more activities. Click on Yes if you're looking at adding more adventurous activities to make it a full, complete package to offer your guests. The easiest and most convenient option for travel within Switzerland is the Swiss Pass. So starting from our first city, feel free to select a Swiss Consecutive Pass or a Flexi Travel Pass for this entire Swiss journey. If you're looking at your guests traveling with the Swiss Pass for all the 8 days, for example, simply click on the 8 days modality in first or second class. Let's look at the first class option. This is what we'd like to offer the guest starting from day 2 in Switzerland. So the entire journey for the 8 nights, 9 days will then be covered with one click of a button. On arrival, you may want to give them a city tour. Simply click on the Zurich Complete Guided Tour or scroll down for more options. Tour in English on day 1, operates in the afternoon in multiple languages. So click on Select. Scroll down further to read more detailed description of the tour along with inclusions, exclusions, and a map review. If both the guests are looking at doing this tour, simply select 2. And the Swiss portion activities of my itinerary is now complete. Moving on to the next, look at Lucerne. Swiss Pass has already been selected for all 8 days in the Zurich itinerary, so this is not to be selected here again. From Lucerne, guests would typically do the Mount Titlis excursion. Click on that. Select the right product, without Ice Flyer or with Ice Flyer, with Swiss Pass or without Swiss Pass, or a standalone ticket. We would prefer to offer with Swiss Pass and Ice Flyer. Select the modality. Take the date of operation and select. If Lucerne is complete, we move on to Interlaken. We'd like to offer the Jungfrau Tour or Grindelwald, this Pilates, this Titlis again, this Schilton. A whole wide variety of excursions can be done only through one click on DMC Bazaar. Selecting the option with Swiss Pass once again. Note that the system actually gives you the calendar stay of the hotel which has already been selected in the previous tab. So these are my stays in Interlaken. So we guide you on selecting the right product for the right date. Click on select and my activities in Interlaken have been completed, or feel free to add any more. Moving on to the next, for a quick search, you may also type in the name of the tour that you're looking for and the system filters all the available options for you. The quickest 4-hour tour is what we would like to offer our guests. It operates in the afternoon and in the morning. Feel free to give them a relaxed itinerary. Give them an afternoon tour on day 2. Click on select. All the activities have been selected for the entire Swiss itinerary. I'd like to move to the next. Coming to the summary page, at a glance here, you'll be able to view the check-in, check-out dates per city, the number of nights, the tour selected for each day, product which is our Swiss Pass has been taken, and I'd like to now offer an arrival and departure transfer to my guest, simply so that we make it a well-rounded itinerary. Rather than round trip, because they'll be using Swiss Pass from day 2, simply click on the arrival transfer, which is outbound, and return transfer is the departure transfer. In my itinerary, I'd like to offer the arrival transfer in Zurich. The arrival is at Zurich Airport. Put in the flight number and the arrival time of the flight. The system has already picked up the hotel you had selected in the previous tab, making your job a lot easier in building the itinerary. Looking at multiple transport options that only DMC Bazaar offers you, select the appropriate product for your guest after reading the detailed inclusions. Arrival transfer, Zurich stay, Zurich city tour, Swiss Pass, which he takes to start his journey to Lucerne, followed by Interlaken, ending it in Geneva. Feel free to look at our rent-a-car options in all cities as well if you'd like to upgrade them from not using a pass, but they're capable of driving around all of Switzerland themselves too. For this particular quotation, I'd like to add a departure transfer once more. Hotel has been auto-picked up by the system, saving you time and energy. Put in the flight number, the departure time of the flight, and simply click on select. Once again, go through almost 12 transportation options which have been found in Geneva. Select the appropriate product. All you need to do is then add your own markup so that this quotation or booking can be confirmed with vouchers printed on your letterhead. Add your own management fee, which is your markup, before you quote to your guests, and simply confirm the booking then and there after viewing the cancellation policy, or save it as a quotation. All quotations are subject to confirmation on the day of booking only. So this is a quotation. Pricing changes because dynamic inventory has been selected. However, what's great about DMC Bazaar is if you click on alert me when the price drops, you will get a notification when the pricing has changed. So feel free to click on this, take a notification from us, get a better price, and earn a lot more. Click on AI Generate for a brief overview of the itinerary and inclusions. Save this as a brochure and email it to your guest instantly. Print it on your letterhead and confirm a complete Swiss itinerary with hotels, Swiss Pass, arrival and departure transfers, and all the inclusions in less than 10 minutes. A descriptive, detailed itinerary on your letterhead as your product can be sent to your guest and confirmed instantly only on dmcbazaar.com.